So, what if you could blow up a brand new YouTube channel without ever having to brainstorm a single video idea yourself? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. I ran a wild 30-day experiment where I let ChatGPT take the wheel and plan everything, just to see if an AI could actually build a successful channel completely from scratch.
And that really gets us to the million-dollar question, doesn't it? Can an AI really plan a whole YouTube channel? I mean, can an algorithm actually come up with a strategy and write scripts that people genuinely connect with? Or is there something, well, something human that it just can't copy? That is exactly what we are here to figure out. All right, so here was the setup. A 30-day challenge. The goal was to see if a machine could be the ultimate creative director, building a channel that real people would actually sit down and watch. The challenge was on. Machine versus human creativity. Let's see how it went.
Now, we didn't just ask for a few random video ideas. Oh no, we had the AI build an entire strategy from the ground up. First, it defined the overall channel strategy. Then, it generated the main content pillars. From there, it built out a complete 30-day calendar, and finally, it scripted and optimized every single video, the whole shebang.
You know, the secret to getting anything good out of an AI, it is all about the prompt. You can't just type in, "give me video ideas," and expect magic. You have to get super specific. You have to tell it your niche, exactly who your target audience is, and what your goals are. You've got to treat it like you're giving a detailed creative brief to a new hire. And bam, just like that, the AI solved one of the biggest problems every creator faces: staring at a blank page. You know, something that nearly 40% of creators say is their most time-consuming task? Gone. In seconds. And these weren't bad ideas either. We had a list of genuinely solid, relevant video topics ready to go. Okay, so with the ideas locked in, we decided to push it. Could the AI do more? You bet. We had it write everything. The SEO-friendly title, a description packed with keywords, all the right tags, and yes, even the entire video script, right down to a killer hook to get people's attention in the first few seconds. So we had a full month's worth of videos, all conceived and written by an AI. It was officially time for the moment of truth. We hit publish and launched the channel. What happened next? Honestly, it surprised even me. The results were, well, they were insane. The AI-powered SEO was no joke. In just 1 week, the channel exploded from about 150 views to over 12,000. For a channel that didn't exist a week before, that is unheard of. It felt like we'd found some kind of cheat code for the YouTube algorithm.
And that's the dream, right? To get even a tiny slice of that massive pie. We're talking 2.7 billion people using YouTube every single month, all looking for something to watch. For a second there, it really seemed like AI was the golden ticket to reaching them. But, yeah, there's always a but. That incredible early success was hiding a massive problem. Without realizing it, we had walked right into the AI content trap, and things were about to get ugly. That dream was starting to feel more like a nightmare.
This quote just nails the problem perfectly. We're seeing the internet get absolutely flooded with content that, it looks right, it sounds right, but there's just nothing there. There's no soul. It's generic, it's forgettable, it's slop. And the risks here are very, very real. YouTube can actually demonetize you for repetitive content, which AI is fantastic at churning out. Worse, AI has this tendency to be confidently incorrect. It just makes up facts that sound totally plausible but are completely wrong. It's like having a research assistant who is also a pathological liar.
And this, right here, is the core of the issue. This is the authenticity gap. See, AI is a master of patterns. It can analyze millions of videos and replicate what works with incredible speed. But what it can't do is replicate a lived experience. It can't fake genuine emotion or a truly unique point of view.
So, what's the final verdict? After 30 days of this, is AI a creator's best friend or their worst enemy? Is it human versus machine? Here's where we landed.
The answer isn't to replace the human, it's to give them a superpower. The best way to think about AI is as a creator's co-pilot. You let the AI handle the grunt work, the boring, repetitive stuff, so that you, the creator, can focus on what actually matters, being the pilot, the one with the vision, the authenticity, and the final say.
And here's what that actually looks like. For ideas, let the AI be your brainstorm buddy, but you're the one who finds that unique angle that no one else has. For scripting, let the AI give you a first draft, but it's your job to inject your personality, your stories, your voice. The AI handles the data, you provide the soul. It's a partnership. So if there is one thing you walk away with from this whole experiment, please let it be this. Use AI to make your process better, faster, and stronger, but never ever let it replace your personality. Because that's the one thing it can never copy.
Hey, if you got something out of this, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help us make more explainers just like this one.
And that leads to my final question for you. After seeing the incredible upside and the pretty serious downsides, would you let ChatGPT plan your next round of content? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!